In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Squarespace. If you want to make the text on your Squarespace website easier to read or simply better match to your design style, adjusting the font size is a quick and simple way to do it. Squarespace includes these settings inside the site design panel, so you don't need to edit any code to make a basic font size change. To get started, open your Squarespace site and make sure you're in the editing or configuration area for your website. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Site Styles. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the visual settings for your site, including colors, fonts, spacing, and other design controls. Opening Site Styles is the first step because font size changes are managed from this panel. After the Site Styles panel opens, find the Font section. You may see it listed among other design categories. Click the arrow beside fonts to expand it. This will open the font settings and give you access to more detailed controls. If the section is collapsed, expanding it is important so you can actually reach the font sizing options instead of just the general design menu. Once you're inside the font settings, look for the option labeled base size. This setting controls the overall base text size used across your site, and changing it can affect how readable your content feels on different devices. To increase the font size, click the plus icon next to base size. Each click raises the size a little more, so you can adjust it gradually until it looks the way you want. As you make the change, pay attention to the preview on your site. This helps you see the impact right away and decide whether the new size feels balanced. A slightly larger base size can improve readability, especially for body text, but you'll want to make sure it still fits well with your layout and overall design. That's all it takes to increase font size in Squarespace. You open Site Styles, expand the font section, and use the plus icon next to base size to make the text larger. If needed, make small adjustments rather than large ones, so your site stays clean and professional. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing the rest of your design with confidence.